Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So what we got going on right now is a drink called All the Way Up. I'm kind of excited about this a little bit because when I made that porn star martini with the passion fruit puree, I thought it was a really, really good drink, right? So this incorporates some of the same flavors, but we're using a little cognac and a little the Amaro Montenegro and the passion fruit puree and some like pretty much not homemade grenadine, but it's a lot more better than the grenadine syrup. Right, so it's all about the flavors, right? Then we're gonna top it off with some sparkling wine, champagne, whatever you got. I got sparkling wine, little bottle. But anyway, let's get to the drink. First things first, we're gonna go with just an ounce of cognac. 1 ounce. And the recipe actually that I found actually calls for D'ussé. And I had D'ussé. So next we're going to go with half an ounce of the Amaro Montenegro. Just a half an ounce. Next, another half ounce of some fresh lemon juice. Next, we're going to go half an ounce of passion fruit puree. Half an ounce. Next, we're going to go just a 1/4 ounce of some grenadine. Shake it up a little bit. This is some true grenadine from Fever Tree. I like Fever Tree products. We're going to go with just a 1/4 ounce. Next, we're going to go with 3 dashes of an orange bitter. Give this a little stir. Add some ice, maybe. Give it another. All right. All right, get a Coupe glass and a strainer. Lastly, we're going to top it off with our champagne. I know I'm acting scary. Just a little top off. And there you have it. And all the way up. This got to be good. Cheers. Everything I thought it was going to be. That is an excellent cocktail. This is something you can like impress a date with, right? Ooh, that's what I should do. I should do a series of drinks to show men how to drink for women, right? Make drinks for women, like on dates, like whatever. But then again, these women they like whiskey just like we do. So, anywho, do not forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time. Cheers.